The center of the body is a place our mind can gain the best focus. It is the home of the mind, the place our mind likes to rest. This point is in the middle of your abdomen, 2 finger widths above navel level. This is your center of gravity, the absolute center of your body. This point is very precise, even smaller than the tip of a needle. But for now, just knowing the general area is fine. An easy way to find it is to relax and take a slow, deep breath. Feel where the air goes to the lowest point in your abdomen. That is where your center is. So when you are ready, let us sit comfortably and gently close your eyes. Allow your body to relax from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Once you are relaxed and comfortable, take a slow, deep breath. Feel where the air touches the deepest point in your abdomen. Now, using no effort at all, use just a gentle focus to bring your mind to the center. Do not worry if your mind cannot find the center. Just put your attention in the general area. And as you progress in your meditation practice, it will naturally gravitate toward the center on its own. Do not force your mind to the center. Just allow it to gently rest there. Let go of any thoughts or worries, and allow any thoughts that arise to simply fade away. Just breathe in, breathe out, letting the mind rest at the center. Now let us continue in silence. Now, let us take in one more deep breath, feeling it go all the way down to our center, and slowly and gently coming back. Take your time. You don't need to completely come out yet. Notice how you feel right now. Now that we have finished our meditation, the center of the body is a natural resting place of the mind. Our goal in meditation is to bring our mind back to this natural home. Again, if you cannot find the center, don't worry. Just bring your attention to the general area, wherever it feels comfortable, and it will naturally gravitate to the center on its own as you practice further in your meditation practice. For our next session, we will go over the general practice of meditation, now that we have covered all the basics.